In this video, we're going to go over the rest of the setup process so that we can start taking advertisements. Now, first of all, let's go over to banner sizes. And in here, these are all the active banner sizes. And you can go into any of these and disable them or edit them. If you want to change something, okay, here it is down here. So you can just change it and save. And then the change takes effect. Now, if you want a new banner size, you click on here. And then you can create a whole new one. Let's call this mini button. Okay, and then the width is going to be 100 by 45. And then if it's active, you click this, click save. And now we have our mini button there as well. Okay, so it came preloaded with the most popular ones here for you. You can also create your own as I showed you there. Now, advertising plans, it came preloaded with these as well. We have 1 week, unlimited, with a price, and 1 week with a view cap with a price, etc. You can see what they are here. Now, you can set up any that you want. You don't have to use these, or you can edit them if you just wanted to change the price. Again, if you want to create a new one, we could put down here the name of it, how many days, the maximum views, and the price. Just like we did with the other one there. Let's just set up a quick one here. Let's say 3 days. Okay, so days 3. Now, max views, you can put a value in here of the maximum number of views if you want to do it that way, or leave a blank for unlimited. Let's leave it blank, and let's put the price at $5 and save. Okay, here it is, 3 days, unlimited, $5. Okay, so that's how you can add a new advertising plan. Now, placements, it already comes preloaded with placements as well. We have header, sidebar, content, and footer. Again, we can also add to this. Let's put one below header. That's what goes here. Description, we'll put below the header. Okay, and that's active. Click save. And here we have it below the header. Okay, so set these up the way you want them. And then what we're going to do is integrate them into the blog. And I'm going to show you how to do that next. All right, now we're going to integrate the ads into our blog. Now, as you see here, we have header, sidebar, content, footer, and the new one we have here below the header. And we can integrate these quite simply by going to Appearance. And then we're going to go to Widgets. And you'll see over here, these are the widgets that we've already got on here. And we also have some unused widgets down here. Now what we can do is go down and find the WP Ads widget and drag it to where we want. So let's drag it up to the sidebar and let's put it right underneath search. Okay, so it comes up with a title here. Now, of course, you can either put one there or not. And then what we need to do is pick the placement here. Okay, so this is the sidebar, so we pick sidebar, just like that. Here you can optionally put some advertisement IDs in here. We don't have any on here yet, and this is completely optional. So if you only wanted to put certain ones in here, this is how you could do it. Let's save. So that's how simple it is to integrate an ad into the sidebar. We could also put one down here if we wanted. So let's put another one in. Just grab the widget again. Let's put it underneath the archives. Again, we're going to select the placement as sidebar. Save. Okay, and then we can use any of these other ones as well. Now, this is totally dependent on the theme that you're using on your site, so you may or may not have these other widgets. All right, so let's put it in the first footer widget area. Let's grab one and put it in here. And then we'll make this footer and save. Okay, so that's one way we can do it. Now, what we can also do is go to our pages or posts. Okay, and then what we can do is on our pages, we can decide where we want people to be able to advertise. So in here, we can go edit, and then we can use short codes to place the advertisements in here. Okay, so let's say we want to put an advertisement on this page right here. So I just take that heading out of there. Now make sure that you're in HTML mode. Okay, and then right above all this, we need to put a tag in here. So here it is here, WP ads -add space placement equals, and then the tag here, which is content. So this is going to put it above. You can also put one below, wherever you want them in your content. Let's update. Now we need to set up an advertising page. So let's go over to Pages. Okay, here's our advertising page, which we've already set up. So let's go and edit this. And let's take this out of here. Now what we want to do is put the shortcode on here. Okay, and that's all we need right there. Let's update. Okay, so at this point we're all set up. Okay, so here we are on the home page. This is where our tag is on this page. You'll see that it's invisible at the moment, but it will be replaced by ads. Here's our advertise with us. And here it is, where they sign up. I forgot to turn off the comments, but okay, so now we have this all ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go through a sample transaction. Okay, to wrap it up, we're going to go through a transaction as the user would see it. If somebody's going to advertise, and then we'll look behind the scenes inside the admin area. Okay, so first of all, they need to fill out the advertising part here that we just built, and it's also going to give them a WordPress account when we do this. Okay, so we fill that out, we click register, okay, and it sent the email address to us. So we'll go to the admin area, and now we'll check our email, and then we'll log in. Okay, so let's log in. Now, as you see, we have our WP Ads section. We had add a new ad, which it defaults to our first time in. We have manage ads. If we had any ads, they'd show here. And statistics. And of course, the statistics will show here when we have some statistics. Okay, so adding a new ad, we can give it a name here. Okay, so we're going to advertise WP Ads Manager. Now we're going to select the placements. So we have below the header, we have content, footer, header, or sidebar. Let's go with content. The type, we're going to do, let's say, a text ad. Actually, let's go with a banner. Let's select the size here. Let's use the leaderboard. Okay, the banner image URL, paste it in here. And then the link is where we're linking back to. Okay, so we'll link back to the home page here. Okay, select an auto renewal if we want. Okay, so here we have no auto renewal, one-time renewal, a recurring renewal. Okay, you set this the way you want it. Okay, activation down here, we need to select the plan. So let's go with 1 week for $12. Okay, start date, it automatically populates the end date, unlimited views. Okay, this is the plan that we created earlier. Now we need to proceed to payment, or we can save and pay later. Okay, so now we'll continue and pay. Okay, here we go. Click Pay Now here. Okay, and as you can see, we're in the PayPal sandbox for testing. Okay, so now what we do is we log into our PayPal account. Pay now. Okay, and here we are. Thank you for your order. And now it should take us back. And here we are back at our Ads Manager. And it's all set up. All right, now let's sign in as the admin and have a look at what happened. Okay, now I'll log in as admin. Okay, let's go down to WP Ads. Okay, and here it is, WP Ads Manager banner. It's active. It's in the content area. So we can edit it here. We also have bulk actions that we can use on a number of them if we want to do it that way. Now we also are able to add ads in the admin area here. We can go to our advertisers. Okay, and there's our testing 1, 2, 3. We can add advertisers here. If we have any statistics, we probably don't have any yet, but we'd see them here. Okay, 1 advertiser, 1 ad. Okay, now let's go look at the page. Okay, and we put that in content. As you see, it's a little big to be putting here, but when we click on it, it is going to WP Ads Manager, which is the program that we are promoting. There it is there. Okay, so that is how you use WP Ads Manager to make big money from advertising on your blog.